Hey guys, it's Davida with WTI, and I am so excited that I found such an amazing pair of exercise yoga pants because I work out a lot and I'm always sweating and I always have a problem with finding just the perfect pair of exercise pants. Ones that don't make me feel like I'm just soaking them through, and another one that are just so comfortable, breathable, and easy to move in. So I really am happy with these pants. These are the Lululemon. Lululemon is just such an amazing brand. They're known for their excellent quality. These are the Fast and Free brushed fabric high rise. These are the 28-inch. And at the bottom, they don't have a seam, which I really, really like. Anytime I wear them, I just feel like I can move about, I can stretch, I can do all the exercises that I need to do without feeling like they are pulling me down or weighing me down. So they are just the perfect exercise pant. I couldn't recommend them enough. I have them in the color black, which you can see the color is almost like a dark gray. It's between like a dark gray and black. And here's the material up close. As you can see, it's really, really stretchy. It's super soft and very, very breathable. My favorite feature are all the deep pockets that this pair of pants has. You can see I fit my phone in these pockets, I can run about, and the phone will not move. You can even fit the phone in the very back pocket, which is awesome. There's pockets all around the side too. And that's my point of view.